Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by enabling gesture navigation. Open Settings, go to System, then Gestures. Tap the gesture navigation option so the OS replaces buttons with swipes. Once done, check haptic feedback and sensitivity. This lets you feel successful inputs and reduces missed swipes. Make sure the onboarding hints are enabled. They show visual guides for the first 1-2 minutes of use. This initial change is essential because gestures alter core interactions across apps, so set them now to proceed with learning the motion set. Now you practice the core gestures and understand why each exists. Swipe up from the bottom center to go home. A quick short swipe opens recent apps. Swipe inward from the left or right edge to go back. This replaces the back button and is faster once mastered. To switch apps, swipe horizontally across the bottom edge or use the small handle to scrub through open apps. Keep transitions smooth. Practice slow then faster, because muscle memory reduces accidental back gestures over time. Finish by learning advanced flows and a key troubleshooting tip. For split screen, open recent apps, long press the app card and choose split. Gestures let you multitask quickly. If an app's edge controls conflict with back, use a downward swipe or the three-dot menu to access in-app options instead. If gestures feel unreliable, make sure sensitivity is correctly set, then reboot. If problems persist, temporarily revert to three-button navigation to diagnose. This fixes parity issues and gives you time to retrain muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.